We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Magnetic Fidget Pen by Fabixo. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what people are saying about this unique product. The Magnetic Fidget Pen is not just a pen, it's a versatile decompression toy designed for creativity and stress relief. Users have praised its ability to transform into various shapes and figures, from swords and robots to monsters and other imaginative designs. This feature makes it an engaging tool for kids, teens, and even adults who enjoy hands-on activities that stimulate the mind. The pen is marketed as a stress relief gadget, and many users agree that it serves this purpose well. By allowing users to build and create with magnetic rings and steel balls, it provides a satisfying tactile experience that can help alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation. Its dual functionality as both a pen and a fidget toy adds to its appeal, making it a practical yet entertaining item for students, professionals, and anyone in between. One of the standout features of this product is its high-quality construction. The materials used are durable, ensuring that the pen can withstand regular use without easily breaking. However, it's worth noting that the magnets are fragile and should be handled with care to avoid damage. Some users have reported that dropping the pen can cause the magnets to crack or lose their effectiveness, so caution is advised. In terms of usability, the Magnetic Fidget Pen has received mixed feedback. While many appreciate its versatility and creative potential, some find it challenging to use due to the strong magnetic pull between the components. This can make it difficult to separate the steel balls or arrange them into desired shapes, which may be frustrating for younger children or those with limited patience. Despite this drawback, most users agree that the pen offers hours of entertainment once you get the hang of it. The product comes with 2 stylus heads, 13 magnetic rings, 12 steel balls, and a gift box, making it an excellent gift option for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It's particularly popular among kids aged 10, 15, though adults have also found it enjoyable as a desk accessory or stress relief tool during work hours. Parents have noted that their children love bringing the pen to school to show off to friends, though some teachers have deemed it too distracting for classroom use. This highlights one of the potential downsides of the product. Its ability to captivate attention can sometimes be more of a hindrance than a help in certain settings. Another point of feedback is that while the pen is marketed as a fidget toy, some users feel it doesn't fully align with traditional fidget toys designed for discreet use in calming anxiety or improving focus. Instead, they view it more as a novelty item or creative tool that stimulates imagination rather than serving as a straightforward stress relief aid. That said, many reviewers have expressed satisfaction with its value for money. Priced affordably compared to other fidget toys on the market, it offers a unique combination of functionality and entertainment that appeals to a wide audience. Whether you're looking for a fun gadget for your child or an innovative desk accessory for yourself, this product delivers on multiple fronts. In summary, the Magnetic Fidget Pen by Fabixo is a fun and creative tool that combines functionality with entertainment. Its ability to transform into various shapes makes it an engaging option for kids and adults alike, while its stress relief benefits add an extra layer of appeal. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations, such as the fragility of the magnets and the learning curve associated with using it effectively. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable gift or a unique way to pass the time while stimulating your creativity, this product is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to support our channel and explore more about this intriguing gadget.